Hello, just got done stopping by Starbucks. I got a bunch of new drinks. I got a new drink for my husband, the Dubai chocolate, I don't know what, I don't know. The iced Dubai chocolate mocha. And then I got exactly what I said I was gonna get yesterday, the lavender cream chai. And another new drink that I did not realize they even had, but the pink cannonball, like refresher drinks. So it's literally like a pink drink and a dragon drink together and had a baby. And I already had a few sips of it because, well, I was excited and I was really thirsty. And it's awesome. I love it so much. So definitely recommend the cannonball drink for sure. But next, we're gonna go ahead and try the lavender chai. Goodness, I can't learn how to speak and use words. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that is superb. Definitely recommending that drink as well, for sure. So definitely get yours.